Today I will be showing you how to reprogram your hoppers to the correct programming using the SD cards provided by the Laundry Boss. First, locate your primary card. This may be labeled with an A or with a P for primary. This goes with your right hopper. Locate your B. This goes to your secondary hopper. Remove the SD cards and place them in the SD card slot on the hoppers. Turn off your kiosk, then turn it back on. Wait until you hear the bill acceptor cycle like you did just now. Set all of the switches on the dip switches to up on both hoppers. Then hit the red reset button. Wait a couple of moments and you should begin to see both the orange and red lights flashing consistently like this. When you see that, adjust 1 and 2 to be down and 3 and 4 to be down, with 3 remaining up on both hoppers. Remove the SD cards and press the red reset button. The blinks should return to looking like this. Turn your kiosk off and then turn it back on, and your hoppers are now ready to run.